Boom! What's up, Wanderers? We are back, and this time we've got a packing video. We are about to leave for 2 weeks in Japan, and I am committed to going to Japan with just one backpack and one city sling. So, the backpack we have chosen for our trip this time is the Air City Pack. The Air Travel Pack 3. And I am excited to go through the packing exercise with everybody and show you kind of what I'm bringing on this trip to Japan, again, 2 weeks overseas, and how I'm planning to travel and live out of this backpack. So let's dive in. All right, so first off, the great debate, to use packing cubes or not to use packing cubes. In this case, I've decided to go with 2 compression cubes. And these compression cubes are just cheap ones off Amazon. And as you can see, just clothes. I'm using them for clothes. I've got this one that has my pants and shirts in it, and this one, which is socks and underwear. Okay? Minimal packing, minimalist packing here, and I am going to wear some t-shirts twice, and also this is Japan, and I will have access to a laundry machine should I want to wash things halfway through the trip. We'll see how it goes. So, step 1 of this loadout of my travel backpack is actually putting my cubes in and seeing what kind of space they take up here. So let's go with the big one first. Always the big rocks first, right? Boom. Shove it all the way down in. Okay, great. And you can see there's a little space up top here, so that's where I'm gonna put this bag. Cool. So I wonder if I can turn this bag this way, actually. Yeah, all right, great. So, packing cubes are in. That isn't actually all the clothes that I need, but you can see that it takes up this entire compartment. So a large and a medium packing cube has taken up the entire main compartment of this bag, if you're wondering. I also have used, and I went ahead and preloaded this little zippered pocket on the interior here, for my rolled up t-shirts. So pants and pullovers and layers there, t-shirts here, underwear and socks in this one, and we have all our clothes then loaded into the main compartment here. I do have one other pocket up here that I can use if I want to. I think I may use it, leave it empty for now, and use it if needed in Japan. So let's close up the main compartment of the bag. And we've instantly packed all our clothes. A cheap little, $15 packing cube set off Amazon does the trick. Now, what that doesn't leave me is room for a dop kit. Typically, when I travel, I bring a little black dop kit with me with all my medical supplies, razors, shaving cream, all that. So I can't. So I decided to use the admin panel of the travel pack as my loadout for dop kit. So let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up. Let's do razor and shaving cream down at the bottom here. Okay, easy enough. Let's do one up here that is toothbrushes and toothpaste. Easy peasy. Let's toss in a digital thermometer. I went ahead and put little flossers in here. Let's drop in some Tylenol, aspirin, etc. A little tube of Neosporin for cuts. Let's carry some Band-Aids and little alcohol wipes just in case, scrape knees and all that. Zip that up. Yeah, so we've got a little bit of a very usable dop kit, still a little bit of room up here too. Yeah, and then I've got this whole back thing here if I want to slide anything else in, an extra something that I buy, etc. So we'll close that up. And we have this front pocket, which is one of the more easily accessible pockets on the entire bag. So let's toss in some easy access things. Some blue light blocking reading glasses, a couple of mustache combs, critical, AirPods, pen. Let's go ahead and put another pen in there. Yeah. I think you got to make some edits. I was thinking about bringing this wallet with some extra business cards because I'm going to be doing some YouTube work over there. I think I'll cut that out. Still editing even as I'm making this video. So yeah, really good there. We'll close that up. This pocket over here I've already loaded out. I put some masks in there. So masks and filters. In Japan, it's still appropriate and polite to wear face masks in indoor spaces. It's not required in a lot of places anymore. I went ahead and attached a hero clip to the outside of the bag as well. Then I've got the laptop compartment back here. I've loaded in the laptop compartment some cords and a multiple cord charger, kind of a USB hub to use, and all the cords that I will need. And then I'm going to take my iPad, it's all I travel with, drop it down into the laptop sleeve, and close it up. All right, boom. That is the bag for 2 weeks of travel. I still have a compartment up top here that there's nothing in. I'll use that as I'm traveling. And I have a bottle holder as well, nothing in that. So I'm not even using all the capacity of this bag, but I don't need to. I've packed what I need. Well, I've almost packed what I need because I still have this bad boy. And it goes in conjunction with the backpack. But this is the day sling, and the goal will be to wear this crossbody like this with the backpack on my back. So as a set. So all the rest of this stuff needs to go into this little sling bag. Big rocks first. Gimbal. We'll drop that down in, and you can see kind of how big this interior actually is as you stretch it out. So gimbal down in the bottom. Battery backup, 20,000 megahertz or whatever the unit is on these, but a 20 mAh. So we'll drop that down in here as well. Then we've got my plug of choice, my power brick of choice, my cords of choice, and I'll show you how those get arranged here. So you can see little stretchy pockets for both. And then my passport, along with my COVID certifications and vaccine cards and my credit cards that I'm bringing on the trip, all into this wallet, all into the back of my sling, the side that will be up against my body. That's the only thing going back in there. I have some paperwork that I need to bring with me to claim my JR Rail Pass. I have a paper map of Tokyo that goes in here as well. I have a little Lonely Planet phrase book. Do you speak English? I don't understand. Right at the top of the list. Excellent. And then I want to carry a few more masks. I don't need all of these, so let's take 3 more masks to have with me in this little pocket guide, or this little pocket, and some filters. All right. So, and then I'll show you what this is kind of loaded out as now. And then we'll zip this shut. All fits very easily. And then I've got this front pocket still. So we will clip on the AirPods Pro. Toss those in there. A couple of pins in the front here. Some glasses. I'll trust that I can find sanitizer on the trip. Little worry stone. Oh, and I forgot this. So it goes back in the main compartment with the gimbal. Check, check, check. All right, so that's that. We have my everyday carry in this sling. And then over here in this bag, to review, we use the front panel as the DOP kit. We loaded out 2 large packing cubes in the main section, used the inside pocket of the main section for another packing cube. All fits really well. No issues with space. Yeah. And there's still a little bit of space in here if I want to buy an extra shirt or something like that. So that's what I'm bringing with me to Japan. That's how I pack out for 1 bag travel. I'm not bringing food. Some backpackers may be bringing food. This isn't really backpacking. I'm going to Japan. I'll be able to hit a 7-Eleven, grocery store, restaurants, anywhere I am. And I'm going to have to carry cash on me once I get there and some extra cards. And so I made sure that my wallet was big enough for all of the stuff that I'm going to need to have on me at all times. But this is the loadout. Let me know what you guys think. Is there anything that you do differently when packing for extended travel abroad? I think I've got everything I need, and I'm going to be able to get around the country very easily with this very practical 1 bag loadout. Lock this up in hotel rooms and take this with me when I'm wandering around the cities that I'm visiting. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope you got a kick out of seeing kind of how to practically load out the Air Travel Pack 3 for extended travel. And let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you upon my return from Japan. I will be loading, hopefully, some videos from Japan of bags and bag stores that I find over in Japan. So if you're interested in that, please check it out. And as always, remember that if you want to follow along with my travels, you can do so at Bit of a Wander on YouTube. Everybody, thanks so much for the support. Hope you enjoyed the video and getting a chance to see a loadout of this bag. Everybody, see you soon. Thanks for the support.